Are you someone with big dreams and an ambitious spirit? Do you yearn for a life filled with the finest luxuries? Private jets, super yachts, personal staff, and even owning a sports team? You're not alone, my friend. Welcome to the Success Crest, the place where like-minded individuals gather to explore what it means to live a glamorous and prosperous life. And today, we're diving into the ultimate question. How can you join the exclusive club of billionaires? Our team has done some serious digging, and we're about to reveal the top 10 industries that are most likely to launch you into the elite realm of 10-figure bank balances. Stick with us until the end, and you'll not only discover the industry that takes the top spot, but also get insider tips on where these industries are headed in the coming years. So, get ready to be inspired, and let's embark on a journey of wealth and success. Number 10. Engineering. Let's kick off our countdown with number 10. Engineering. Believe it or not, 4% of billionaires come from this exciting sector. If you're looking to join this elite group, all you need is a mind-boggling idea that can solve a problem no one has tackled before. It should be so brilliant that it shakes up the entire industry. One such example is James Dyson, who revolutionized the vacuum cleaner market by inventing the world's first bagless vacuum cleaner. He then expanded his empire to include a range of other appliances, such as washing machines and hand dryers. Thanks to his engineering prowess, he is now worth a whopping $16 billion, making him the UK's wealthiest person. The best part: you don't even need formal qualifications in engineering to become a billionaire in this field. Just a great idea and the drive to bring it to life. So what are you waiting for? Let your innovative ideas run wild and see where they take you in the world of engineering. Number 9. Media and entertainment. Are you a fan of music, movies, TV shows, video games, books, or other forms of entertainment? If so, then you're in luck, because the media and entertainment industry is where it's at. It's no surprise that 4% of billionaires have made their fortunes in this exciting and ever-evolving field. Thanks to social media, it's easier than ever to build a following and create your brand as an entertainer. Just look at Oprah and Jay-Z, both billionaires in their own right, who expanded their entertainment empires beyond their core talents. Oprah ventured into publishing while Jay-Z entered the world of fashion. If you have a passion for entertaining and a drive to succeed, this could be the industry that takes you to the top. Number 8. Energy. At number 8, we have the energy sector. For centuries, energy has been a treasure trove for the wealthy, and many of the first buccaneers of riches made their fortunes in this field, like the infamous oil tycoon John D. Rockefeller. And shiver me timbers, 4% of today's billionaires still come from this sector. We all need energy, and that's not going to change anytime soon. But what is changing is the type of energy we use. The world is going green, and renewable energy is the future. It's cheaper, unlimited in supply, and the demand for it is only going up. Solar energy is leading the charge, and it's expected to grow by between 5% to 20% in the next few years. Even the tech pirate Elon Musk has put his doubloons where his mouth is by investing heavily in solar through Tesla's subsidiary Solar City. The potential for innovation in other renewable energy sources, such as wind, hydropower, and geothermal, as well as eco-friendly energy storage systems, is massive. So, if we have a bright idea that can harness the power of the sun or the wind, we might just be the next billionaire to walk the plank and seize the treasure. Number 7. Fashion. Hey there! Coming in at number 7 on our list of industries that can turn you into a billionaire is the fashion industry. Who would have thought, right? But if you stop and think about it, clothing is more than just a basic necessity. We all want to look good and feel good, and we're willing to spend our hard-earned money to achieve that. And let's not forget, for many of us, the ultimate goal is to be able to afford some high-end branded goods on the weekends. Plus, successful designers can make a killing in the fashion industry because the price of their products is based more on perceived value than the actual cost. That's why the fashion industry has produced 5% of the world's billionaires, including big names like Phil Knight, the founder of Nike, and fashion icons like Giorgio Armani, Ralph Lauren, and Dolce & Gabbana. So, if you've got a passion for fashion and can come up with the right formula, you could be the next billionaire on the block. Number 6. Healthcare. Coming in at number 6 is the healthcare industry. Staying healthy is one of our most basic needs, and we're willing to spend a lot of money to achieve it, whether it's directly on healthcare bills, through taxes, or on health insurance. As a result, 6% of the world's billionaires have amassed their wealth from this industry. It's no surprise that the pandemic has created more billionaires in healthcare. While being a doctor can make you wealthy, it's unlikely to make you a billionaire. The real potential for a 10-digit bank balance lies in the pharmaceutical industry, designing innovative medical devices, or founding a chain of private hospitals or clinics. The top end of the world's super rich in healthcare is dominated by pharma company owners, with 5 of the top 10 spots occupied by Chinese billionaires. However, other players on the list hail from the USA, Germany, Switzerland, and India. With the right know-how and drive, you can make waves in this industry no matter where you come from. Number 5. Retail. Let's talk about number 5 on our list, retail. Whether we're clicking our way through online stores or browsing the aisles of brick and mortar shops, we all have a habit of buying things. And that's why it's no surprise that retail is a major player in the billionaire game, accounting for 6.5% of all billionaires. But here's the thing. This sector might not produce as many billionaires in the future. That's because most of the billionaires in retail are heirs to massive fortunes that were built up over a long period of time. Take the Walton family, for example, who inherited the Walmart empire, or the Albrecht family, who inherited the Aldi business. And let's not forget about the online retail giants like Amazon, who are classified under the tech and business services sector, which we'll be discussing more later on. Number 4. Food and beverage. Food and beverage, the backbone of human survival, will always be in demand, no matter what happens in the world. In fact, around 8% of the world's billionaires hail from this industry, making it a lucrative field to explore. To join the ranks of these wealthy individuals, you'll need to bring something new and innovative to the table, whether it's a novel way of producing food or an innovative approach to its distribution. Among the super rich in this sector are self-made billionaires like Thailand's Dan and Caravana, who expanded his father's chicken suit shop into a farming empire worth $15 billion. China's Zhongking Haiyou, who made his fortune through his bottled drink giant Ahaha, is now worth $12 billion, while American Daniel Dubitsky created the first kind bar, inspired by eating a whole fruit and nut bar on a business trip to Australia. He's now worth $1.2 billion. Number 3. Technology in today's world. Technology is the backbone of the economy. It's used in all sectors for transactions, communication, distribution, logistics, and much more. Even our personal lives revolve around tech, from entertainment to shopping to ride-sharing. It's no surprise that 9% of billionaires have made their fortunes in tech, and this number is likely to increase. With new software and hardware constantly being developed, previous versions become obsolete at a rapid pace. The arrival of 5G and the opportunities it brings mean that this trend will only accelerate. Technology is also the field that many of the world's most famous billionaires belong to, such as Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, and the richest person in the world, Jeff Bezos. It's also a booming area for young billionaires, including Evan Spiegel, the founder of Snapchat, and John Collison, the founder of online payments company Stripe. The key to success in tech is to anticipate and prepare for upcoming technology trends such as AI, the Internet of Things, self-driving cars, virtual and augmented reality, and telemedicine, which is an area that intersects with healthcare, another field on this list. Number 2. Real estate. Real estate, ranked number 2, satisfies our fundamental need for shelter, and as the population grows, its demand is only set to increase. Purchasing a home is typically the largest transaction one will make in their lifetime, which explains why 9% of billionaires today belong to this industry. Starting as a real estate agent or supplier of construction materials, or establishing a construction firm are a few ways to enter the field. Donald Trump's wealth comes primarily from real estate, but his net worth of just over $2 billion pales in comparison to other American real estate moguls such as Stephen Ross and Donald Wren and Dio. The world's top 5 players in real estate all hail from China or Hong Kong, led by Zhu Jiayan, worth $37 billion. With some shrewdness and a bit of fortune, real estate is an excellent way to amass a fortune, as recent years have seen considerable gains in this domain. Number 1. Banking and finance. Banking and finance are the number 1 industries for producing billionaires. Anyone who has achieved great success in any field owes a debt to those who knew how to effectively deploy their money and grow it. Through smart investment choices, these individuals not only helped make their companies successful, but also grew their own wealth significantly. Today, banking and finance account for 15% of the world's billionaires, with some achieving billionaire status as private investors, others through the establishment of investment firms, and still others as venture capitalists. Warren Buffett, considered by many to be the world's greatest investor, has a net worth of $90 billion and is currently the 4th richest person on Earth. We'd love to hear your thoughts on which industries you believe will produce the most billionaires over the next 20 years, so feel free to share in the comments. Thank you for spending some time with us. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video.